Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by cosine x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x over cosine x, that is about tan x. 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. So this one we change by tan x squared. This one we change by secant of x squared in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan x. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we have secant of x squared dx. This one we change by u, and we have u squared. This one we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 8 over b tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have a square b square tan t square. B square and b square we cancel. A square and a square. We can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. So this one we simplify, and we have a square tan t square. Because b square and b square in here, they cancel. A square we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t square. Now we need to simplify a secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And now we have like this. So b gone here, a and a we simplify, that's why we have ab. And this one we have t over ab. About t, that is about this one. We divide both sides by 8 over b. And now we have t equal to octane of bu over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.